Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to use Notion AI to summarize long meeting notes. Okay, so we need to unlock the AI core first. So you can press the spacebar on your keyboard or type /AI to call up the clean Notion AI prompt interface box. So I will just open up this Our Notes project. And in here guys, just choose some empty space, type in /AI just like I said, and choose Ask AI. And it will open up this little window on the right. And now I will give you a precise prompt to analyze this text right over here. As you can see, I have the sample text from meeting transcript. As you can see, I have the sample text. It's just a meeting transcription. So let me give you the prompt. Okay, and the prompt is as follows. And also, guys, don't forget this precise command that you ask from AI will be generated and performed under this particular project of yours, right? So any file you choose, make sure to open it here, and this will analyze the exact text right here written inside. Press on send. And within seconds, Notion AI wipes out the data clutter, rendering a presentation-ready project brief right onto your active page. So as you can see, created a table, explained what's happening, pretty nice and neatly done by our AI. As you can see, if you want confirmation, it was doing it under Our Notes, as you can see, just like I've chosen it. So enjoy summarizing. AI is now everywhere, guys. It's insane. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any thoughts as well. See you soon.